Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can redirect an URL from one URL to another. So for that we'll have to install a plugin. So we'll go under add new section and click add new, and from here we'll type redirection and click install now and activate. From here under tool section you'll go to the redirection and hit start setup. Continue, continue, finish, continue, ready to begin. Here we'll type the old URL. So as you can see, my old URL is showing page do not exist. So I just copy this old URL and I'll go here and paste it. And here I'll type the new URL which is working and on which I have to redirect my old URL. So I'll go here and type the new URL and simply add redirection. So this has been redirected now. Let's see if it is working. So see, we have been redirected to the new URL which we have added. So now you can see both the URL are working, the old one as well as the new one. If you'll see, this is the same URL, this is the same URL, and if I'll wait, let me put the same URL here. Okay, so this is the old URL. I'm gonna go and click hit and see it is redirecting me to the this one which we have just added. So this is how you can do it, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, kindly subscribe to my channel.